Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into Destiny Card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening a web browser first. As soon as you do that, in the search box type in www.destinycard.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website of Destiny, go to the My Account button at the upper right corner in order to log in. As soon as you do that, on the next tab you'll see a login portal where you can enter your username and your password in order to log in. Start by entering the username associated to your account. Move on to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on the icon so that you would know if you've typed in the password correct or not. In case you've forgotten your username, go and click on the username or password link right below. Same goes for the password. In case you've forgotten the password, you can go and click on this link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. After you're done, click on the login button and you'll be logged into Destiny Card account in no time. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.